tomorrow is gonna be the Pokemon presents with all new Pokemon, new games, and all of the bunch of stuff. So without further ado, let's do this. So, what's up, Clumpton? Why is Callie's stomach growling? Because Callie is hungry! Hungry, of course. Huh. Good choice, kid. So anyway, that's it for this video. This is Chloe Kleeman saying, see you next time, and I'll see you on the next question.